By the end of this video, you will learn top 5 tips to help you improve your relationship with your manager and in turn get your manager's trust. Hi, I'm Madhurima from the Fairy Tale Life, the best place for personal development. If you want more such videos, then subscribe and hit that bell icon to be informed whenever I post my new videos. I help highly potential people like you with corporate skills that are required for this millennium. Give me a like and let's get started. The number one thing in order to improve your relationship with your boss is to be honest and not hide anything which might come to surface later and create trouble. Keep them updated about the most important things that are currently going on under your responsibility. The second thing to do in order to be in your manager's good books is in continuation with tip number 1, which is when you keep them updated, do not run to them every time you hit a roadblock or every time you need to make a decision. This can be annoying for the manager. Usually, a manager's role is to supervise and to provide support whenever necessary. Do not expect them to spoon feed you. Make your decision and take your action. The best way to do this is to keep your manager updated about the challenge you came across and the decision you took for things which require your manager's attention. Don't do this for every small thing. Here is a quick reminder to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my LinkedIn where I share more such useful tips. If you also want to know how to improve your work performance post-pandemic, then watch this video here, which I have also linked below, where I go and discuss this in detail step by step. Tip number 3, be firm, direct and polite when you are not happy. There have been times when I have not been happy with my manager and I've expressed this to them in an assertive way. It would sound something like, I'm here to talk to you about this particular incident. I'm not happy because of such and such reason. Then pause and let them speak, because by now they would be dying to talk. Listen to them without interrupting. That is the key. Sometimes I would wait even when they are done talking just to see if they have something more to tell me. I would then say, I really respect your reason to blah 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 blah. I'm still firm with the way I feel and I thought I would let you know instead of keeping it in my mind. Stop here and let them speak. The only thing that you should say post this is, thank you so much for hearing me out. That's it, full stop. A lot can be said by talking less. Believe me, this has always worked 100% in my favor. By following these conversation steps, you actually let your boss know that you're really pissed off with them by still being polite. Tip number 4, be proactive with your regular reports and tasks. If there are any tasks or reports that are expected out of you, maybe weekly or monthly, please do them without any reminders. If your manager has to remind you to do such tasks, then you're probably not doing a good job. This can lead to trust issues between you and your manager. How I used to do this was by starting to work on the report a few days before the deadline so I can submit it on time. Do not start to work on your report on the date of submission and blame it on the slowness of the system if you are not able to finish the work on time. Tip number 5, the last but most effective tip is not to badmouth your manager behind their backs. I know, we are all guilty of this. Let's confess, it is not easy to keep everything within you, especially when your manager is a devil. It is okay to confide in a work friend who is trustworthy and if you're sure they will not spill the beans. But talking to people outside of your friend zone can be a disaster, especially when your manager comes to know about it. Again, this will hamper the relationship that you have with them. I have seen people bad-mouthing their managers in front of their subordinates and other managers. By doing this, it is your reputation and credibility that gets hurt rather than your managers. These were 5 tips to help you improve your relationship with your manager and build trust with them. If you found this video helpful, then share this with a friend. For more such awesome tips, click on my picture here to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. Watch this video next and I wish you all the best to have a win-win relationship with your manager, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.